BeFunky's Touch-Up tab has all the tools you need to retouch portraits, from erasing blemishes to balancing skin tone, whitening teeth, and more. Click on any touch-up tool to start using it. Most of BeFunky's touch-up tools work by painting them onto the desired area. Adjusting the strength slider to get the look you're going for, and clicking the Apply button to apply your edits. Use the zoom bar at the bottom of the screen to zoom in to smaller areas of your photo for precise retouching. Some touch-up tools feature a set color palette for you to choose from. Click on any color in the palette to paint it onto your photo, and select a different color at any time. Whenever you see a color tile with a drop-down icon, you're able to adjust the color beyond the set color palette, or use the eyedropper tool to select a color from your photo. The clone tool can also be found in BeFunky's Touch-Up Tools tab. It's perfect for quickly erasing unwanted objects or areas of your image that are distracting. Just select part of your image as a source for covering up the unwanted area, and click with the second brush to remove it.